Assalamualaikum, my dear students of class 1, and welcome back to another virtual lesson which is being organized by your own school Metropolitan. My dear students, today we are going to start with the concept check on page number 98, in which we have to answer whether the things are smaller or bigger in comparison. मतलब हमारे पास दो चीज़ें होंगी, उसमें हमें बताना होगा कि कौन सी चीज़ बड़ी है और कौन सी चीज़ छोटी है. So let's start with the first one. The earth is dash than the sun. Is it smaller or bigger? The earth is smaller than the sun. Then the second one is the moon is what? Smaller or bigger than the earth? It is also smaller than the earth. Right? Now the third one is the sun is what than the moon and the earth. यहाँ पे हमें बताना है जो हमारा sun है वो क्या moon और earth दोनों से बड़ा है या दोनों से छोटा है. We have discussed that sun is very far away from our earth, that's why वो हमें छोटा दिखता है, लेकिन as in comparison वो क्या है, वो बहुत बड़ा है. That's why it is very bigger than the earth and the moon. So let's repeat it once again. The earth is smaller than the sun, the moon is smaller than the earth, and then the sun is bigger than the moon and the earth. यहाँ पे हमने ये डिस्कस किया है कि moon जो है उसका साइज सबसे बड़ा है, जो sun है उसका साइज सबसे बड़ा है, then earth आती है, and in the last moon जिसका साइज सबसे छोटा है. Now we have to start exercise 1, which is on page number 103, and in this exercise, my dear students, you all have to color these circles present in your book and make them look like the earth, the sun and the moon. हमें यहाँ पे कलर करना है ताकि इनको हम डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकें कि कौन सा सन है, कौन सा मून है और कौन सा अर्थ है. As we all know that all of them are square in shape. उनकी शेप क्या है, स्फेयर है, और तीनों सिमिलर है, बस उनके जो फीचर्स हैं वो अलग अलग है, जिसकी वजह से हम डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकते हैं कि कौन सी अर्थ है, कौन सा मून है और कौन सी सन है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द मून. मून, एज वी ऑल नो, मून एक बड़ा सा स्फेयर है विच डज नॉट हैव इट्स ओन लाइट. उसकी अपनी लाइट नहीं होती. एंड देयर आर मैनी होल्स present on the earth, so on the moon. So we will draw it like this. You just have to pick your gray or black color and just move it around the sphere, and then it will look like the moon, right? Then, as we all know that sun is a big orange or yellow ball of fire, right? क्या है, एक बहुत ही बड़ा सा बॉल है which looks like a fire. So we have this yellow card sheet which we will paste over here to make it look like the sun, right? Then we also know that our earth consists of two things, land and water, right? So we will first make land on the earth with green, and then water with the blue. You just have to color around this circle to make it look like the earth, right? This is how you are going to differentiate all these three circles. First will be the moon, and you will write under the circle the moon, the sun and the earth, so that it will be visible to you whether which one is the moon, the sun and the earth, right? Students, the next exercise which we are going to do is on page number 103, and the exercise is 2. In this exercise, my dear students, we have to figure out that which part of the moon has been dropped off. मतलब ये जो एक part हमने छोड़ दिया है, ये इन चारों में से कौन सा part है, whether it's a circle, square, rectangle or this triangle. So it's clearly कि हमारा सिर्फ एक छोटा सा triangle part जो है वो moon का drop off हुआ है. So we will circle this part, right? move on towards the next exercise, which is exercise 3 on page number 103. And in this exercise, my dear students, we have to first join the dots from 1 to 10, and then we have to figure out that what figure will come out by joining these dots. For last one आपको already solve किया हुआ है, which is 10 से हमें दोबारा 1 को join करना होगा. So let's start with the first one. First we will join 1 and 2 dots, then dot 2 to dot 3, then dot 3 to dot 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, and then 9 to 10, and the last one is already done for you guys. So what is this figure? This is a star. You just have to write star beside the figure to make sure that whether it's identify that whether the figure is of star, moon, or etc. from the space. And then you have to color this with whatever color you want. And that's all for today's lesson. Hope to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.